Step aboard the incredible Space Bus, a futuristic vehicle that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. This amazing spacecraft is packed with advanced technology, including life support systems, artificial gravity, and huge panoramic windows that let you enjoy breathtaking views of the stars and galaxies. Inside, the design is inspired by the beauty of the universe, featuring luxurious living spaces, a high-tech navigation system, and a modern entertainment setup to keep passengers comfortable and entertained throughout the journey. Powered by strong engines and guided by precise navigation, the Space Bus is built for unforgettable intergalactic travel. As you explore its interior, you'll notice the careful attention to detail, innovative engineering, and impressive size of the craft. From the relaxing zero-gravity lounge to the advanced propulsion systems, every feature is designed to create a unique and exciting space travel experience. Get ready to imagine what it would feel like to travel across the universe in comfort and style. The Space Bus offers a glimpse into the future of space tourism, where adventure, technology, and luxury come together for a journey like no other. The HD30 by Living vehicle is a premium mobile home built for people who want to travel freely without giving up comfort. It's designed for off-grid living, meaning you can stay in remote places for long periods while still enjoying the conveniences of a modern house. Inside, the trailer offers a smartly planned space that includes a full kitchen, bathroom, cozy bedroom, and relaxing living area, all packed into a stylish and compact design. What makes the HD30 special is its advanced technology and focus on sustainability. It comes with a powerful solar energy system, energy-saving appliances, and water filtration, so you can generate your own power and use clean water wherever you go. Its strong construction allows it to handle rough roads and challenging terrain, making it perfect for adventure lovers. Despite its rugged capability, the interior feels luxurious, comfortable, and welcoming. The HD30 is ideal for travelers who want the freedom to explore nature while enjoying the comfort, convenience, and elegance of a high-end home on wheels. The Heimer Vision Venture is a futuristic camper van concept that completely reimagines what mobile living can be. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this innovative vehicle blends cutting-edge technology with premium comfort to create a unique travel experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic exterior gives it a modern, high-tech look, while the interior is designed to be smart and flexible, making the most of every inch of space. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, a multi-purpose lounge area for relaxing or dining, and clever storage solutions throughout. One of the most exciting features is the inflatable pop-up roof, which transforms into a cozy bedroom with stunning panoramic views, making it perfect for adventure lovers. The camper also uses 3D printed components, intelligent lighting, and an integrated solar energy system, allowing travelers to enjoy sustainable, off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. The Vision Venture isn't just a camper, it's a glimpse into the future of RV travel, where innovation, luxury, and freedom come together to create the ultimate road trip lifestyle. The 2024 Newmar King Air is the ultimate luxury motorhome, designed for comfort, style, and unforgettable adventures. With its powerful engine and smooth handling, it's perfect for full-time living or epic road trips. Step inside to experience a spacious, beautifully crafted interior featuring premium materials and expansive living areas. The King Air offers a full-size kitchen equipped with high-end appliances, making cooking on the road a joy. Relax in the spacious bedroom with a king-size bed, and enjoy the luxurious bathroom with a large walk-in shower and double-sink vanity. Advanced infotainment systems, a large LED TV, and a premium sound system ensure you stay entertained, while sophisticated climate control keeps you comfortable no matter where you travel. Storage is plentiful, and every detail of the interior exudes elegance and functionality. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, the 2024 Newmar King Air lets you travel in style and convenience. Experience the perfect blend of luxury, freedom, and adventure, the ultimate home on wheels. The Renegade RV 2024 XL Super C from Renegade RV is the ultimate motorhome for people who want both luxury and power while traveling. Built on a strong Super C truck chassis, It delivers excellent stability and smooth handling, whether you're cruising on highways or exploring rough, off-road routes. Its modern, aerodynamic exterior not only looks impressive but also helps improve fuel efficiency, making it practical for long journeys. Inside, the RV feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. You get a spacious living area designed for comfort, a fully equipped kitchen with premium appliances, and a stylish bathroom with quality finishes. The master bedroom features a large king-size bed, giving you hotel-level comfort wherever you go. Smart technology is integrated throughout the cabin, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with ease. With a powerful engine, advanced features, and top-tier craftsmanship, the Renegade RV 2024 XL Super C is perfect for extended road trips and off-grid adventures. It offers a unique combination of performance, comfort, and freedom, making every journey feel extraordinary. The Retreat e-RV Hyper is a next-generation electric recreational vehicle designed for people who want adventure without harming the environment. Fully powered by electricity, this innovative RV uses advanced solar panels and a high-capacity energy storage system, making it possible to stay in remote locations for long periods without needing external power. It's a perfect blend of freedom, comfort, and sustainability. Inside, the e-RV Hyper feels more like a modern luxury apartment than a traditional camper. It features high-quality materials, a spacious layout, a fully equipped kitchen, a stylish bathroom, and a cozy living area where travelers can relax after a long day outdoors. Smart home technology is integrated throughout the vehicle, allowing users to easily control lighting, temperature, and other functions with minimal effort. The exterior design is both rugged and elegant, built to handle different terrains while still looking sleek and futuristic. Whether exploring mountains, deserts, or forests, this vehicle offers reliable performance. The Retreat e-RV Hyper is an ideal choice for eco-conscious travelers who want comfort, independence, and unforgettable off-grid experiences. The SLRV Commander 8x8 two-story is the ultimate adventure vehicle for those who crave exploration without giving up comfort. Built on a powerful 8x8 chassis, this massive two-story motorhome can tackle the toughest off-road terrains with ease, giving you freedom to go anywhere. Inside, the lower level is designed for modern living on the road. It features a spacious lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, and a bathroom, making life comfortable even in the most remote locations. Upstairs, the luxurious master bedroom offers panoramic views of your surroundings, letting you wake up to breathtaking landscapes every day. The SLRV Commander isn't just about comfort, it's packed with advanced systems for water filtration, solar power, and battery storage, allowing you to stay off-grid for extended periods. Every detail is built for adventure, turning this motorhome into a mobile fortress. Whether you're exploring deserts, mountains, or forests, the Commander 8x8 redefines overland travel, combining rugged off-road capability with luxury living. It's more than a vehicle, it's your ticket to the world's most remote destinations, in style and total comfort. The Starliner SL25 is the ultimate luxury RV, blending futuristic design with cutting-edge technology to deliver an unforgettable travel experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic exterior turns heads wherever it goes, while the interior is thoughtfully designed for comfort, style, and convenience. Step inside, and you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, a plush bathroom, and a cozy bedroom, all designed to make life on the road feel as comfortable as home. Smart home features let you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with ease, putting everything at your fingertips. Beyond comfort, the Starliner SL25 is built with sustainability in mind. Advanced energy systems, including solar panels, allow you to enjoy off-grid adventures without compromising on luxury. This motorhome isn't just about reaching your destination, it's about transforming the way you travel. Every journey becomes an experience, where style, technology, and freedom come together seamlessly. With the SL25, road trips are redefined, setting a new benchmark for mobile luxury and comfort. The Vario Signature 1200 is the perfect combination of luxury, innovation, and comfort, designed for people who want to travel without giving up the feeling of home. This high-end motorhome stands out with its modern engineering, spacious layout, and premium craftsmanship. Built with a powerful engine and smooth driving performance, it is ideal for long road trips or even full-time living on the move. Inside, the Signature 1200 offers a beautifully designed interior made with top-quality materials and elegant finishes. The living area is open and comfortable, giving you plenty of space to relax or entertain guests. The full-size kitchen comes equipped with high-end appliances, making cooking easy and enjoyable wherever you are. The bedroom features a luxurious king-size bed for maximum comfort, while the bathroom includes a large walk-in shower and a stylish double-sink vanity. Advanced infotainment systems, smart storage solutions, and thoughtful design details add to the overall experience. The Vario Signature 1200 is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement of freedom, adventure, and luxury living on wheels. XRV Adventures is all about thrilling off-road and overland journeys for those who love to explore the world's most remote and rugged landscapes. Whether it's winding mountain trails, vast deserts, or dense forests, XRV Adventures brings you closer to nature while keeping comfort in mind. We specialize in fully customized expedition vehicles, packed with everything you need for long off-grid trips. From cozy sleeping areas to essential gear storage, our vehicles are designed to let you travel farther and stay self-sufficient without sacrificing comfort. For those who want guidance, our expert-led tours make every adventure safe, seamless, and unforgettable. Our experienced guides know the terrain, hidden gems, and tips to make your journey truly special. XRV Adventures is perfect for travelers looking to break free from the ordinary, embrace the thrill of the open road, and experience exploration like never before. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping off-road challenges or simply the joy of discovering untouched landscapes, XRV Adventures is your ultimate partner for epic, life-changing adventures.